I'm Jeanna Loves Christmas. This is what happens when the Queen of Christmas gives birth to the Prince of Halloween. I never owned a single decoration until I had children. It kind of got out of control real fast. Subscribe. New kid on the block, coming out of the box first. I was on the hunt for this because my best friend wanted it so badly. And I thought, well, if she gets one, I'll go ahead and get one too. I knew when I saw it, I wanted it to come out of the ground. I thought, you know, who's gonna buy this 12-foot pumpkin head Inferno situation and not put its legs on? And I thought, well, obviously it's gonna be me. He really looks like he belongs there though. I love him. And then I made that crown. It's 2 Party City hats, those plastic hats I spray painted and put together. I love it. I had to call in the union elves to hang the clock. That clock is priceless because I had a little Instagram moment there. My friend Ryan from Alton Way Company made it for me, and she's never gonna make me another one, which is why it's priceless. Fragile to get up, but so worth it. We recreated these bows. These are like replicas from Disneyland. Very, very Disney inspired. Holiball, I love saying it. Holiball, I knew I wanted to turn these into jack-o'-lanterns this year. I thought this was a great way to incorporate Christmas into my Halloween decor. I mean, I honestly only really like Halloween because I figured out a way to incorporate Christmas into it. It vibes with me. We bought a Cricut this year. We're not very good at it, but we pulled off that jack-o'-lantern thing real good. Kyle, this is my husband, Kyle. Honey, we really need to add to your resume that you are like an orthopedic surgeon because you put this little skeleton together, this little 12-foot skeleton together so well. I also bought this because my friend wanted one. She goes, you have to have it. I'm like, okay, if you say I have to have it, I have to have it. I loved him. We used him last year. He's making a comeback this year with his new pumpkin head friend. And I really think he feels superior to his pumpkinhead friend because he got legs. Just saying. You dressed him well, honey. My friend Stephanie made me that giant hat for him, always trying to incorporate Christmas. Kyle's up there tying on his little Jack Skellington bow tie. I'm really just vibing up as much Christmas as I can. Holiball coming back in play here. I thought it would be so fun for him to be holding these ornaments this year and wiring them, distributing weight, trying to figure out how to. I created like a little mama caboose situation, like when you carry your kids around. I'll use the mesh to do that. It worked pretty well. I love it. Okay, Christmas trees. So we use these at our house during Christmas time, and this year I thought, we need to incorporate the trees for Halloween. Kyle, let's just talk about the excellent fluffing job you're doing here. If you don't fluff your Christmas trees, you're just not doing it right. So we're getting started early. I love this. I already can see what I'm gonna do for Christmas, but this really made a big difference this year. Love it. Okay, this is my biggest pro tip ever. This is a shower curtain rod. Kyle gets it in there way tighter than I can. I layer all sorts of materials to create just a little bit of a spooky entrance to the house. I'm pretending it's Christmas right now. I'm using a little Christmas garland, and that's how I attach all of this greenery. It's a moment.
Probably one of the biggest misconceived notions about Hobby Lobby is that they do not have Halloween decor. I mean, they do. They put it under fall, and you just have to go get some black spray paint. It's a DIY, it's super fun. Thank you, Hobby Lobby. It's one of my very favorite things to do as I decorate for Halloween. Everything I buy just gets kissed with black spray paint, just a little kiss. Spooky, spooky.
Let me just decorate this tree real quick outside in the dark. I love these little Inferno Pumpkins. They were a super big inspo for me this year. When I got the big guy, I had to get the little guys, and I used them a lot, and they're actually gonna make an appearance in my son's room for his Christmas decor this year. These picks are also gonna get reused. I pretty much try to recycle everything I possibly can. I'm obsessed, completely obsessed with my Halloween trees at the front door. The twins, I love them. Love them. So good. Every time I walk outside, I find a few pieces of the leaves just flying around in the wind. I get to replace them. It's like reliving the moment over and over again. The ribbon. Everybody should have some of that Halloween-y Disney ribbon at their house for Halloween. Everyone should have some. Probably one of my favorite Halloween decor items we've added over the last few years. That looks good. I don't even like Halloween. This is gorgeous. I love this so much. And what I love most is when you open my front door, it's Christmas.